Whether you like it or not, fall is coming. Brr, how about that snowy rain? Good thing we don't live up in the mountains, right? Maybe some of you do. How's that shovel working for you? At least we're not in Wyoming. 18 inches. However, the folks in Jared's are ready for fall. They got their pumpkins, gourds, corn stalks, straw bales, and the winterizer for your lawn, insect treatment for your trees, all the good stuff to make you Halloween friendly and garden and lawn friendly. Hey, the nursery has a huge sale going on right now. Deciduous shrubs regularly up to $38.99, now just $10 each. Awesome! And today, 1 o'clock this afternoon, Jared's is hosting a free class on backyard birding. Tom Bush from the Front Range Birding Company will be speaking on how to attract, feed, and take care of those birds, especially over the long, cold winter. And for you little goblins out there, the world's scariest haunted house, yes, folks, you won't want to miss it. It's open now through November 1st. Just text SCARE to 7000 for coupons and an entry for a free ticket. Lots going on at Jared's, regardless of what the weather is. Neither rain nor sleet nor fall or winter stuff can happen without Jared's approval. Maybe they're not that powerful. I don't know. All this and more happening at Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden Center, family-owned business. You know them, you love them. 30 years. Yes, it's been that long, folks. 10500 West Bowles Avenue in Littleton, open 7 days a week. Next week, we talk about long underwear.